Hello! Today we're presenting the odometer blocker device on Ford vehicles. This simple plug-and-play device will allow you to stop your car's odometer recording at any time. It works on all Ford models from 2016 onward, no matter if you have a digital dashboard or an analog speedometer with pointers. Here's the full list of compatible models. Ford F-150 from 2015 to today. Ford F-150 Lightning from 2020 to today. Ford Bronco from 2021 to today. Also works perfectly with Bronco Sport and Bronco Raptor. Ford Everest from 2021 to today. Ford Expedition from 2017 to today. That includes the US, European, and Australian versions. Ford Explorer from 2019 to today. Ford Maverick and Ford Ranger from 2022 to today. And all Ford vans, including Transit, Tourneo, and others, from 2018 onward. Now, let's talk about how it works. This is a true plug-and-play system. No wire cutting, no coding, no issues. The device offers 5 working modes. Mode 1, 0% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 2, 20% of the actual mileage is recorded. Mode 3, 60% of the actual mileage is recorded. And Mode 4, the kilometers are counted at 100%. So whether you're driving a Bronco, an F-150, or a Ford van, this is the ultimate speed calibration tool. 100% reversible. Works on all models. Safe, simple, and effective. Get yours today and drive without limits.